Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a Z Folds pocket for your journal. Sorry about my voice. Let me get it. Hold on, let me get a drink. Okay, there we go. I'm letting every one of these videos that I'm filming, I'm saying it at the beginning in case you're new here and you're just stumbling upon this video, I am pre-filming all my videos. I am going for surgery in April. It is currently the end of March and I'm going for surgery at the beginning of April, and I'm trying to get enough videos that I can have videos for when I am out of commission, because I will be out of commission for a while. So if you have any comments, please be specific because I won't remember what it means when you comment. That's basically what I'm saying, okay? So we need a piece of paper and we're going to cut this double-sided. I think this was DCWV. I've had it forever. And I think this might be the last piece of this paper, and I grabbed it because it was double-sided. So we are going to cut this down to 6 inches and then we're going to get a scoreboard. Okay, so we're going to cut it to 6 inches, put the other one aside, and then we're going to get our scoreboard and score at, there it is, we're going to score at 3, 6, 9. And I'm going to flip it the other way and also score at, because it's a thicker paper. A lot of times this decorative scrapbook is really, especially a good quality one, can be thicker and crack. I find that it'll crack, so I try to cut it. Alright, now what we're going to do is where this, I'm going to do it on this side so you can see better, where this first score line is. So right here, okay, where that pencil mark is, we're going to start up at that corner and we are going to cut down 1.5 inches. So I'm just lining up my ruler here and I'm going to make a mark at 1.5. I'm making it plenty big enough. Oh, maybe you can't see that because of that gold foil, but it's right there. So 1.5 inches up on the far side, and we're going to start here at the first 3-inch score. 3-inch score. Ay, ay, ay. So we're going to line this up. Am I going to be able to? Yeah. So we're going to line this up at the score to that line. So here is the line. Let me see. Let me zoom you in. Maybe you can see a little bit better. That's really zoomed in. Okay, hold on. There we go. See? We're going to end that score line, that little line there, on there. Okay? There we go. And then this score line up here. We're going to take our blade and we're going to sink. Oh, I shifted it. I'm shifty. We're going to sink our blade and we're going to cut. Alright, so that's what we have. Let me erase my marks. And down here. Alright, so all we're going to do is accordion fold. So I'm going to fold it one way first, burnish that score nicely, and then we're going to fold the other way, and we're going to make sure we're straight. Okay. And then we're going to fold this way. Alright. So there we have it. A Z-fold pocket. Now we're going to glue. This one I'm going to glue. I'm going to make another one where I'll sew it. Okay? So you can see both ways. So what we're going to do is take our glue and glue down this line here and across the bottom to make that our first pocket. Then we're going to take this one here. Let's burnish that down nice. Get a nice burnish on it. And then we're going to take this one And we're going to do the same thing on the other side of the score line and across the bottom. And we're just going to pull that over and burnish that. Then we're going to do the same thing on the wrong side, at the edge of this one and at the bottom. Okay, and we're going to fold that over and we're going to burnish that down nicely. Okay, so we have a nice Z fold pocket. All right, let's do it again. And then we will fill it. So let's do it again. We're going to use the same piece of paper. This is why I have a problem. I just put my pin wherever. No wonder I lose it. Why did I put it over there? I lose my pin constantly. Now we know why. I'm telling ya. So let's do it again. So we're going to score at 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9, and then on the other side, so it could kind of break these fibers and make it easier to not crack. So we have this, and then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to measure up 1.5 inches and make a mark. So I'm just lining up my ruler, making sure it's straight, and I'm going to make a mark. And then over here, we're going to use this score line as our mark. Okay? So, score line, and then 1.5 inches. It's in the dot, so you can't see it, but it's right there. It's in the dot. Of course it's in the dot. Why wouldn't it be? And then we're going to take our trimmer, and I'm using this one to do it instead of my normal rotary cutter because there is a wire in this one. I don't know if you can see that wire. See it? It's on my finger. So that helps it line, you can line it up easier that way. So we're just going to line up our line right here, our score, with that, and then we're going to turn it so our mark, which is right here, lines up with the score. And then we're going to take the blade and we're going to sink it. And we're going to go up and down, and then we have it cut off. Okay? So there we are. And then, because I did this one this way, I'm going to do this one this way. Okay? So then we're just going to accordion folds. And like I said, I'm going to sew this one. So we're going to try and get it as straight as possible, which is not always feasible, but by the time you get to the bottom, it will have worked itself out. See, you can't even see that it wasn't straight. It worked itself out. All right, I'm going to sew this, and I will be back and show you how it got sewn. I can't sew on camera. My sewing machine is off to the side. I don't have a camera set up there, so I'll be back. Okay, here it is, all sewn. So you have two different looks. You have one that's glued, and you have the cute one that's sewn, and then you have 3 pockets. So let's fill the pockets. I have some scraps of some brown paper, so let's just use that, shall we? And make some tags to go in here. So we need them to be like 2.5 inches because this is 3-inch pocket. So to make sure they fit well, we're going to do 2.5. Jeez. 2.5. And then we need a 5.5, right? Because the first pocket is like 6. And then maybe 3.5. And then whatever this is. What is it? I don't know. I like how I did that. Whatever this is. It's a 3. So we need this piece here. 2.5. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog. Since I'm pre-filming, this is not a day I normally craft. So he's upstairs, mad that I'm down here. But he can get over it. He's going to be really, really mad after surgery, and he can't, like, be a cuddle bug because I have to be careful of my ankle and my cast. That's going to make him really angry, so he's going to have to suck it up and get used to it. Okay, so this is a 3-way angle punch, and I just use this to make my tags. This is what I use to make my tags. It works very well. Also, let's not talk about how they're just flying at me right now. They were flying at me like crazy. All right, we're going to line these up this way, and since I'm using my Crop-A-Dile, I can punch through all of them at one time. Let's oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry about that. But it came on and I couldn't stop it. So now we have a tag, and a tag. Adorable. And then a tag, and a tag. Okay, there we go. What do you guys think? Super cute, isn't it? I think so. I think it's adorable. Maybe not adorable, but it's nice. I really enjoy it. It's a very quick and easy project. I mean, it's 12 minutes and I made 2 of them, including sewing one and making tags. So it's a very quick project, and just by flipping the paper a different way, like you could even put a journaling spot on the back of these too if you wanted, and have them just clipped into, where's my idea journal? Hold on. Okay, here's my idea journal. So you can just have it clipped in like this, okay? And then you can have a journaling spot on the back, or you could glue it straight down and just have these 3 journaling spots. That's what you can do with this. So let's find a better page and add this in. Something towards the back, because I do have stuff in the back here. So you might be asking yourself, what's an idea journal? It's where I put every kind of idea that I've had. I'm going to put it, on Alice in Wonderland, but I am going to clip it in, and I'm going to use this little clip because it was sitting here. And then you just clip it in. Before we do that, let's put a journaling spot on the back, since it's just being clipped. And we're going to make it 2.5 inches again, because I think that's a good size. 2.5, and I want to still see the sewing. I still want to see all the threads and all of that. Oh my geez. So we're just going to glue this on. Also, listen, I'm going to throw this out here. If you're watching this video and you have any ideas for future videos, please let me know, because I am struggling right now for ideas on things to make that I can film quickly. Like, I want quick videos I can film, because I have to film 28. If I can, I'm trying. I want to film at least 16 videos is what I want to film. But there you go. So then when you're ready to journal, you can just take this out. You can journal on these. You can journal on the back. And that gives you so much journaling space because you can journal on the front and the back of each of these tags. So yeah, if you have any ideas for videos, I would really appreciate it because I'm on the struggle bus right now. Okay, so there we go. That's that. I'm going to take this out for photo purposes so I can take a photo, a thumbnail. But there you go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like this project. It is so easy. I mean, so easy. You could probably make this in your sleep. It's that simple. And if you wanted it to be wider, you could cut it to 4 inches and score at 4 and 8 and only have 2 pockets instead of 3, but it works the same way. Okay? So thank you for joining me today. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.